Good morning. Let me send this to the groups. All right, let me post this to the group. All right, let me change. Look, I don't know why, as soon as I go live on the live stream, I start getting like 10 DMs. So let me put up my status so then I don't see all these messages. In a meeting, 1 hour. Pause notifications. Okay. Let me post this. I posted in the other group. I'm kind of excited for today. I already had 2 trades, so I had a micro Bitcoin trade last night for $402 in profit. And then I had the copper trade this morning, which went as green as like $700, but then pulled back really quickly to our break-even offset, which is $250 for 2 contracts. So, hey, morning. Hey, NJ. Welcome. Let me move this over. Kind of get this all situated. So it looks like the market wants to kind of rally back, which makes sense. It had a pullback on Monday and pullback yesterday. And now it seems like it is ready. Oh, you know why this is more zoomed in today? Because I went back to like the regular settings. So that's fine. Let's see what it looks like here. It's not blurry, is it? I feel like it just shows it that way sometimes. Oh no, there it goes. It cleared itself out. Okay, cool. Cool. Alright, so let's look at, I can minimize this AMD back here. So, again, so had a trade with, see how it pulled back up, had a trade with HG. Did it drop again? This might have been the, oh, is this so that, I turned the strategy off, so I'm trying to think. It got stopped here. So yeah, it pulled back up and then it actually dropped even more, but it's coming back up to where the break-even offset was. So that's fine. Hey, Ryan. Hey, Enzo. Make sure to like the stream, Enzo, if you are enjoying it. I was talking to one of my members the other day and they were like, you should make it private so you don't get a lot of questions from people that aren't in the group. But I feel like I don't really get a lot of questions from people that aren't in the group. So it's all good. I'll keep it public for now so people like Enzo can join in and feel like he's still part of the group, even though sadly he's not. Let me send this as I'm thinking about it. All right, one more. There we go. I didn't watch that TikTok yet. Okay, so as I was saying, it looks like the markets kind of want to rally back. We had a huge recovery yesterday after the market close into the Asia session, and London cut it didn't really do much. London kind of chopped it up. This does look like a double top here, so we may get a dip. Maybe back to 16,300 and pop from there. We'll see. As long as we don't break 97 or this 64, then I still feel good about the move today. But we have to be really, really aware of levels above, because that's the whole thing. When you're getting in a trade, like obviously this isn't specifically tailored to the algorithm, but when you're getting in a trade manually, you have to have a plan. So what is your plan? If you got long right now in the NASDAQ, what's your plan? Where are you getting out? Where are you seeing it go to? Where is your resistance? So that's why I quickly put up some levels here. All of my main levels are on my TD Ameritrade charts, but it's just easier since I'm always kind of streaming about the algorithm to have some levels here. So we have this level, which I talked about, I think, yesterday and the day before, this 86. It's really strong. Yeah, it was yesterday too because it hit it. And then it also hit the super strong level at 436. Today I made that red. Look how many times it's hit this level and just rejected. Like, that is a tough level. So we'll have to see what happens. I have an overall bias that will probably move higher, but I could be wrong and we could move down. And if that's the case, then I'll look to take some shorts. But we will see. Well, it's Enzo. It's not that hard to switch to NinjaTrader. It literally takes like one day. All of these new members, I think I've had like 10 to 12 new people sign up in the last week, and they all got a NinjaTrader account within 24 hours. You go to the website, you apply, you get approved in like 24 hours, and then they do ACH transfers, and that money shows up the very next day. So, hey Jen, so it's pretty easy when you're ready. We'll be here. Oh, also, anyone following the COVID scare in my household, it's negative, so good for that. Child is back in school where he should be learning and growing. So, because I was like, oh my gosh, if he has to stay out of school for like 2 weeks, and then with the Christmas break overlapping, that would just be like a whole month at home, and I would. Yeah, I taught you in Tradeovate because I would still be in Tradeovate, Enzo, if they had an automated system, but they don't, because they're very user-friendly, and Tradeovate is very easy to navigate, and for new people, like NinjaTrader is not that easy for new people, but they don't have a system. Their system is just not complex enough. You can't like do the things that you can do in NinjaTrader. You can't auto trade. Thanks, Ryan. You can't auto trade in Tradeovate at all. Even though they try to say, oh, we have AI function. No, you don't. You guys have a copycat function. So get out of here with that shit. Like, they've tried to reach out to me several times and be like, why don't we try having your system on Tradeovate? I'm like, you guys don't have a system. Like, what are you even talking about? And listen, I love Tradeovate for manually trading. It is the easiest. It is the cleanest. And they have great fees and commissions. They're essentially the same as NinjaTrader when it comes to fees and commissions. But when it comes to auto trading, there's no other option for me. It's NinjaTrader and that's it. So if you want to have your trades traded for you, you have to have an account at NinjaTrader. And Enzo, it's pretty normal for people to have multiple accounts. Like, I have an account at Webull. I have an account at TD Ameritrade. I have an account at Charles Schwab. I have an account at Tradeovate. I have an account at NinjaTrader. So don't give me those excuses, okay? Okay? I think you just want to go head-to-head early in the morning and you like all of the attention, and I'm not going to give it to you, even though I just did for like the last 5 minutes. All right, I have everything set up and ready to go, so I'm not really frantic this morning, like sometimes I am. My zones are drawn. We might pull back here at the open. It might be a red to green move. I'm okay with that. I missed this exit of the ES range at 46.15, so I'm going to look to focus on that if it pulls back to the range and bounces. Natural gas is kind of far away from a trade. YM's been teasing the long for like days. Look at this level. Touch, no thank you. Touch, no thank you. Look at that freaking drop. This YM is on it, but, well, number one, we don't have trades overnight, because if we did, we probably would have caught that pullback. This pullback, some people in the room caught, some didn't, like myself, which was very sad. This would not be a pullback because it didn't actually like go through the level. I think that's what I'm figuring out as time moves on. But it has been YM has been in this downtrend since November 25th at 4 in the morning. When was that? Last Thursday. So Thanksgiving at 4 in the morning. YM has been in a solid downtrend. So we'll see. YM might push out today and take a long. Never know. And the Q range, obviously we'll deal with that later. Oh, did I change this? That might be the one thing I need to do. I need to change it. It's on the night setting. So we didn't get any trades last night on NQ, but I had it set up for the night session. Yes, let me change this. I would have had time to do that though, but okay. Good to go. Where did I have this before? Like here? Oh, it's kind of in the way. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Either way, I'll figure it out. I'm so weird about stuff like this. Alright, I'll just leave it there. Alright, so natural gas, not looking like we're close to anything. YM might take a trade. We'll have to see. Oh, like I was saying last night, so I've been... Ooh, look at Bitcoin. That was a nice push. Why is it? Oh, that was the one I drew. I was like, what? The market opens in 2 minutes. But what I was saying was I ran... So Bitcoin, micro Bitcoin was a win last night on the algorithm. I made $400. And then this morning, copper was a win for $250. So already on the day, I'm up $650, which is a nice start. That copper, though, it was green like 700 at one point, but I just let it run. So no worries. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if we get a red to green move, meaning the market will go red first and then it will pop up. So we'll see. We will see. $35.07. Oh, Amazon's up like 40 points pre-market. That's good. Oh, well, I saw some news yesterday that they're gonna start producing their own chips, chips like NVIDIA chips. So that's exciting because I sold my covered calls yesterday for a profit. And now I just have the leaps, which will be nice. And I could always put in today, if it's super green, I could put in a new order for covered calls at like 3,700. I have AMD set up and ready to go. We'll see what happens there. It's still hanging out below this 159 level. If we can break above that. Oh, did I connect my TD Ameritrade? Make sure I did that. Yeah, I did because I remember I was able to pick the account. So we'll see if we can break above this 159. Oh, yep, market just opened. It gapped above right here. Not sure I'm going to be looking for that long, though. Let's see if it pulls back. I'm going to have the strategy off for now. Give it a few minutes. Let's see what happens. Let's focus on these for a minute. So let's see. So NQ is pulling back here. I'm going to try to buy Amazon 37. Maybe 37.50. 37.40. Sell 2 of those. 25. $5,000. We'll see if that gets filled. Okay, it did. It's already green. Markets are pulling back.
Order filled.
Well, oh, that's the order I got in with the Amazon leaps, so I don't have to worry about that. But let me put this up here just in case. So I'm going to be, where is my manual group? I'm going to be looking to get long when this ES exits exactly what I said a few minutes ago. That is my plan. Again, always have a plan. Always kind of talk about what you're looking to do. All right, so NQ did drop below the zone, but I'm just going to wait a little bit. There's a lot of relative strength with stocks and with some of the underlying stocks and just with ES and that recovery from yesterday. So like I said, I'm thinking this is going to be a red to green move. And if not, then that's fine. If NQ, like I said before, if NQ breaks below 300, I'd go look to take a short here. But see how it just hit 300 and bounced up to 5? So I'm not trying to get faked out either. So we have this 08 level, 7-8 level. See if it can get back above that. That will be a good sign for kind of the idea that I have here. YM is going back down. Natural gas is trying to curl up. Look at AMD. Back to that 159. Well, 160. That's the 160. This is the 159. That's the 160. I definitely don't want a short. I'll take a new long. So let it take a short and then I'll take the long. We'll see. Really, I'm just going to turn it off and just wait and see what happens with the underlying markets. Because now it's looking a little weaker. All right, I'm going to look to take this NQ. See all the people buying it up there at 97 for NQ? I really need to purchase a stand-up desk. It would just be so much better. This is like the 3rd time it's tried. All right, we're in the short of the NQ from like 97. When NQ wants to drop, it drops fast. So, yeah. And this is all in the manual group, not in the algorithm. AMD has having a nice pop. Oh, look at these Amazon leaps. I mean, the covered calls for 5,000 are already up $440. So that's 9%. I might look to scale out here. So now it's popping back up. 22. Let's see if it gets to 22. What was the low here? Well, I don't know if I can base it off of that. Like 20? 1945. So I put one at 22. What's NQ doing? Kind of bouncing around, pulling back up. Look at that, back above 300. But I did mention this double top before, so we could go back down again. I think we just have too many sucks doing things. Like look at this AMD. Tesla's beasting. Amazon opened up really well. So we'll have to see. I should probably just leave Amazon because
order canceled.
Is it really going to get to 37? Like it could, 200 points in 2 weeks. I'll take my chances, see if I can grab a little more than $500. But I do like the idea of just grabbing, like I did yesterday and the day before with Tesla's, like grabbing 500 and getting out, grabbing 500 and getting out. But yesterday, I got out with Amazon for like 2,000, and then it dropped so much more that I would have been able to probably double that. And with the Tesla 500, I got out, and then that dropped. I think that would have been like another 2,500 or something crazy. So, all right, so nothing yet. Natural gas just hanging out. YM dropping. NQ range is not till later. Like, it's not ideal in my schedule to run when NQ range starts because I have pickup and stuff like that, but the best, it seems like the best action time, at least most of the days of the week, is around 11 a.m. for the Algo. So, all right, so NQ curled back up here. Again, I'm still watching ES potentially for a long. That NQ short hit TP1, but it didn't hit any other target. So typically I tell my members that my offset is moved to at least break even when TP1 is hit. So, and then I don't really follow it up after that just because there's too much going on. It's kind of just known information. Alright, this. Oh, you know what I just thought about? Dug in. Hope you. Back over here, even though I actually should keep it up because oh, you know what? Oh, AMD is dropping. And NQ actually broke back down. God, I turned my head for like 1 minute. Do I want this short? What, because they have competition with Amazon? I don't know if I want this. That's a pretty big drop. 2 seconds, I might be in this trade.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I'm just gonna start covering.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Alright, let's see if we can pull back down. Seems like it's bouncing from that big drop. This must have something to do with Amazon. So I'm short in AMD at 157.83. I already sold or covered half of my position. I still have 1,500 shares left.
Order submitted.
See if I can pull it down. If not, I'm probably just going to close it. I don't want it to go all the way back up here in a retest.
Order filled.
All right, I got out. It's a $700 loss. That's okay. I've been doing pretty good with AMD. And watch, it will probably come back down. Like, you know, sometimes I do too much touching. I'm going to just click it here to, like, that was a big drop, so obviously it's going to have to pull back, but it had a nice continuation. Like, it was green, I guess, like, almost $1,000 at one moment, but, you know, I don't get out at the same time. Even when it was red, like 300 with half of my shares, I was flat. So I had locked up, like, I guess 300 on the first half. 3 or 400. And Q is real questionable today. ES is almost out of that range. And Q is having a hard time hanging around the 300s. I might, no. I was going to say I could, oops, it's like covering this. Natural gas isn't doing anything. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let me get in this. Now I have to think about, do I want the long that AMD might be taking at 159? Like, originally AMD looked really strong, but I don't know what that dump was. So it would get long around here. Got to get through 160. And then it has potential. We will see. I'm open to it. I am open to it. Oh, so this Amazon thing is now 700 in profit. So hey, that if I close that today, that will wipe out my AMD loss that I have right now. 21. Let's see if I can get like 2050 for one of them. 2060. All right, we'll see, we'll see. Nothing with range. Oh, he's on again today at 10? Oh my god, I'm so sick of him. He really is? I need to pull up the reports. FX Street. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's testifying in 15 minutes. Ugh. And ISM reports in 15 minutes. Let me let everybody know. Thank you for reminding me. Thank you, Chris. Oh my gosh. Why? Why? So maybe I don't want AMD at all right now. Let me tell the Algo group. I know you're not roaring at me, Brian. No, I don't like that. Oh, look at AMD crawling back down. Okay. Thank you for that, Chris. What was I gonna look up? All right, Powell speaks in 10 minutes. It's just going to be annoying. Let me take this NQ short again. Yeah, I don't really care about Yellen, but if you guys have any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. If you want to see a specific chart that I have running, let me know. If you like this content and you enjoy the live streams that I've been doing every day, please give the video a thumbs up. That's really the only way that I know that you guys enjoy the content, unless you actually physically message me and tell me you enjoy the content. Because I can't read minds. I try all the time though. Alright, I need that from good. Steven wants to talk about Bitcoin. Oh, I need to figure out these digital gift cards. How can I send like an Amazon? Let me just go to Amazon.com. We're waiting for Powell to not be a douche. So like Amazon gift card, digital gift card. Oh, digital content and devices. No. Amazon. Oh, Amazon gift card and gift cards. How to order an Amazon gift card. To order an Amazon gift card, go to gift card, select an e-gift, choose a design, select the amount, enter recipient's email address, and a brief option. Oh, perfect. That is so easy. Okay, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that today. All right, natural gas, no. YM, no. Range, we don't actually have it right now. And then I'm going to hide this. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Did I leave that one? I don't know, at the 2050. Oh, yeah.
Order canceled.
I did still have it, so I'm going to leave that one there. See if we can get to 2050 or even
Order
like
canceled.
even like 2070.
Order canceled.
And then I'll let the other one run. My target order is ready. Today's December. Today's the first day of the last month, 20 21. What do we think 2022 is going to be like? I need to pull my foot from under my leg because then my heel hurts. What's going on in the threads? Matt just said crap about Powell speaking at 10 o'clock.
Order filled.
Oh wait, was that Amazon? Yay! So 870 in Amazon, 875 so far today. I still have one. I might try to sell the other one. I think the low was like 19. Ooh, yeah, they're bidding at 1980 now. Now it's at 935. So this helps me with that 730 that I am red on AMD. Show. Nope. Show details. Low is 2075, but there's bids at 1985. I'll put it in 1950. It fills, it fills. If it doesn't, that is fine. All right, ES is moving nicely. I kind of want this long in AMD, but I don't want Powell to fuck it up. Oh, it's so hard. It's so hard deciding. All right, I need to do this. Order a gift card.
Order filled.
Do like a congrats.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I'm getting
Order
my money back on AMD.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I'm out of AMD. I'm only green $44. Damn, I guess I should have left some. But anyway, we were coming up to that hard resistance of 160, so I just sold into it. But on a positive note, I'm now green on AMD. And I am green on the Amazon leap, so green. I didn't take Tesla, the Amazon covered calls. I didn't take Tesla covered calls today. I'm getting a little nervous getting closer to next week when people keep saying that it might split. If that is like actual potential news and it could really happen, then we're about to hit TP1 on this ES swing. If it's true, then my leaps anywhere in like a delta of 30 or higher would just probably go to shit. So I don't want that to happen. I would really like to keep these through the year and not have to pay more taxes on these gains until next year. So we'll see. All right, TP1 hit on the ES swing in the manual group. I'm trying to get back there. We're about to hit TP. Oh no, TP2 is not till 30. Look at this push. I guess people are either pushing into Powell or expecting him to say something positive today. Not sure. we will have to wait and see.
Order canceled.
I want to see if it gets filled here.
Order canceled.
Do any of you get sinus infections? I used to get a sinus infection every time the season changed. Enzo, I'm not sending you anything. And I'm not responding. Listen, you're really going to make me make this private.
Order filled.
Yes, thank you for the info. All right, I closed out of that Amazon. If the market does want to move higher, I could get back in those covered calls in a bit. Like if we get some really big push today in the market, that would put me in a better situation anyway. So I locked up 775 on Amazon. I'm probably going to be done with AMD today. It looks like it does want to go higher. And I got out of that trade. Sucks because, what was it, 159.29? Oh, well, you know what? This is going to show it here anyway. $2,500 where it is right now. It's probably like 3,000 up here. But AMD's solid on the algo. Like super solid. AMD, Amazon. 775 on Amazon. AMD, $44. I'll take green all day, every day. $44 or not. That 400. Here we go. ES is hitting TP2. All right, NQ might be ready for an actual long. All right, I'm turning off AMD. I'm just going to minimize this so it's not taking up a whole bunch of space and I can bring this back up. Let's see what YM's doing. Oh, guys, we might get a YM trade. This would be exciting. I haven't had a YM trade in so long. YM kind of runs parallel with ES. Just because. E-gift cards. These are so cute. Let me switch back. I watched you, Jetty Master. What? And I now. Oh, yes. I was like, what? I forgot what you're talking about. So the AMD. Yeah, good. Ryan, I'm glad you were able to see that. Let me message my boys. Okay. Standard? What? What? I like the... Alright, so we're gonna wait to see if YM takes the trade. Okay, I need 3 of them. Oh, we gotta do each one separately. Okay. Oh, my boys responded so fast. They want their gift cards. Enter an email for each recipient. Oh! Max of 999 recipients. Do I have to put a semicolon? Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Delivery date now. Add to cart. Oh, this is actually pretty easy. Proceed to checkout. I wonder if I have my bag in here. All right. NQ is about to exit the range. ES is doing a good job. YM kind of slowed down here. Usually YM will run with ES. It looks like it's a little slow. Natural gas doesn't look like it's going to take any trades, but that can go to 1140, so I'll just keep it up, but it's probably not going to do anything. It is 10:08. I'll probably wrap it up in the next 10 or 15 minutes. ES is having a nice push here. Very nice, very nice. See, now these Amazons that I sold at 20 are up to 23. What did I originally buy them at? 25.05. So I can put a limit order back. What was the high for today? That was the high, 25.05. Probably because I'm trading one that isn't like 37.40. Maybe I should do 37.20. I don't really have to. So I'll put it at 28. $5,600. Maybe 29.
Order submitted.
Who's that? Oh, we're in a long of YM. Here we go. We're finally getting some movement. 29.05. Sell 2? Yeah. I gotta make sure I'm doing this right because I don't like to make little mistakes like that. Alright, so we'll see if I get filled on that. Alright. We are moving up in this YM. Green, $175. Can you guys see this? 190. TP1 is at 34,880. 265. I like it. 325. I'm gonna take some pictures for the Instagrams and for the Twitters. 325, 340. See if we can push a little harder. This offset should come into play soon. ES is pushing. All right, I might just use this payment method and just put it on there later. Estimate delivery within 5 minutes. 3 mail orders. Okay. Order placed. I want to 37. So we're in at 29. What's 66? 56? So at 66, the offset will come into play. I just need to write that off. Let me tell my switch. That's going to be for December, though. Well, let's see what happens here. And look at these candles on NQ. It's crazy. I'm going to try to hold out for this. You know, YM has been in this red trend for several days. So, you know, the markets all seem to be moving in this overall higher direction, especially ES leading the way. So I'm going to try to sit tight and let this play out. Yeah, exactly, Jen. I was like, I had to get around to it because I had a group chat with them. It's funny, it was only the 3 of them. I guess it worked out in my favor and their favor. But yeah, I had a group chat open. I was like, I need to take care of that. So then I was like, how can I do I've never done a digital gift card before, so I know they were a thing, but I had never done it, so. All right, it's 10:15. I'm going to stay on here just to see if we at least get this offset position on YM. Here we go. It's moving higher. The location is 66. We're at 50, like 55. There we go. 58. 58. We need 66. 60, 63. 62, 63, 65. We're 1 tick away from the offset. I'm about to move mine. 65. Come on, 66. 66. All right, well, if it doesn't get to 66, I'm definitely moving this up. I'm not letting $400 pass by because why do I only have 2 here? I should have 3. Oh, I might have another one here. Oh, I do. See, and then it usually goes to 20, which would be 29.49, like where it is right now, essentially. All right, well, I moved mine up manually. I cheated. It was at 65. So it's literally one tick away. There's 65 again. There we go. 66. The offset has hit. Guaranteed green. Guaranteed green. See if we can get to 80. It's at 70. Here we go. 70. It was just at like 69. Maybe not. But regardless, this will still be a good trade. I gotta check all my freaking screenshots that I took. Oh, it's pushing back out. I might get taken out with this break even. If I do, that is fine by me.
Order canceled.
Alright, so I'm out with $300 on that trade. That is fine. Alright, so I'm probably going to wrap it up here. I made $400 last night on micro Bitcoin. I made $250 this morning on copper. And now I just made $300 on YM. We still have bold range to go. Usually starts around 11. So $950 off of 3 trades. I am happy there. It is pushing now. Look, well, it's still at 69. There's 71. Remember that first TP was like, because Darian pulled his down, was 80. I think the first TP was 80. All right, I'm going to jump off of there, off of here. It's pushing. Oh, did it hit 80 yet for Darian? I hope it did. Oh, it was 1 tick away. It went to 79. All right. Oh, yeah, Rudy. I always type like that. You must be new, Rudy. I always type like this. All right. Have a great day. Thanks for joining. I'll be back tomorrow around 9 a.m., 9:15 is typically when I go live. If you like this content, please give it a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can always reach me on any of my social medias. If you want more information about the auto trading algorithm, shoot me your email address and I will get you all the details. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye.